Hello everyone, my name is Sue. This morning I'm looking for a right spot for my new uh, Euphoria. I'm thinking about here where my brown spot pot is, but I don't know. I don't know if that is the right spot. Maybe here. Maybe, right? I have here a small cacti. Maybe I have to just remove all of them, right? Some of them are not doing good, and this one is doing okay. And I don't know if this spot is the right one for my new Euphorbia. If I put it here, I think thinking about the future, right? I need some room. I don't want to redo everything next year. So yeah, I'm gonna go with this spot. So I'm gonna move this one out of here. Maybe here. And I'm gonna work here. This is the Euphorbia that I want to plant over there. It's called Euphorbia snowstorm. Look how beautiful this one is. So I'm sure I'm gonna have problem removing it from the pot, but let's see. Remove all these small plants. And I think here is good. Oh, look what I found. And I don't have enough soil. I'll try to use what I have. I have to go and get more. This is some leftover from the other day. So let's see. So now the difficult part to get this Euphorbia out of this container without poking myself. This is not easy. This should be really easy to get it out, but just maybe extra careful not to poke myself, right? but well, it's coming. Well, ready. Okay, easy. So here, look at this. Beautiful. So here we go. Here. Already it looks really pretty. Yeah, because of this color, I think I chose the right spot. I think I need more soil, or I'll dig it a little more. Since I don't have any more dirt. Yeah. Like this. Ah, looks really good. I think it's good. Yeah. Now I'm gonna cover it with gravel. And I can use also these big pieces too. I'll bring some more. I have a few here. Let me bring some more. So I'm done, as you can see here, next to my aloe. Yeah, looking good, right? Next to my Euphoria Indian corn cob, and up there I have my other Euphoria. Looks good, right? With this big boulder in the back and that flat one right there. Looks good, right? So this is it for today. Thank you for coming to my garden. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day.